Hey lads, TechScanning here. So we know that Google is very bad at keeping secrets, especially when it's a matter of their upcoming smartphones. And this has been proven when the company was about to launch its Pixel 7 series and someone had already got the device and listed it on eBay around a month before the launch. Now, the show is back again and what a pleasant day. Today we got the very first hands-on video of the Google's upcoming most anticipated mid-ranger, the Google Pixel 7a. Shared by the Slash Leaks, the hands-on video of the phone is showing a very similar look to the standard model of the Pixel 7 series, especially the rear camera ball holding two camera sensors. However, unlike the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, the device in question here doesn't seem to feature a microphone hole near the flashlight. And if we recall, the phone is pretty much in line with the CAD renders shared by OnLeaks around a month ago. Looking at the display, the phone has a punch-hole front-facing cam in the center and sizable bezels around the screen. In fact, fairly bigger than the recently released Pixel 7 series. The video shows that the phone is running on the Android 13, displaying the device name as Pixel 7a. The handset language is set to Vietnamese, where Google is manufacturing its A series models since the Pixel 4a. However, the most interesting feature shown in the hands-on video, which I already talked about in one of my earlier videos, the phone has a smooth display that can adjust its refresh rate from 60Hz to 90Hz. Probably the only shortcoming of the Pixel 6a that offers only 60Hz refresh rate display panel. So in my opinion, a higher refresh rate will be the best upgrade over the Pixel 6a. Early rumors suggest that the Pixel 7a will be the first phone in Google Pixel A series to feature the wireless charging. However, today's hands-on video doesn't hint the presence of such a feature. For the launch date, if Google follows the Pixel 6a, Google is expected to announce Pixel 7a in May 2023 at the Google I/O event. While for the prices, since Google has launched its Pixel 7 and 7 Pro as the same price tags as their respective predecessors, we can hope Pixel 7a will cost nearly the same as Pixel 6a. So yes, the Pixel 7a is in development, and honestly I am really excited about its higher refresh rate since Google has already done a great job with Pixel 6a for photography and impressive chipset performance. And we can expect it will be even better in Pixel 7a. So such upgrades could make it the best mid-ranger king. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and sure, I will keep you updated on all the Pixel 7a updates. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.